Most people believe financial freedom is only for lucky people, rich families, or business geniuses. But the truth is something very different. Financial freedom starts in the mind long before it appears in your bank account. The way you think about money shapes your habits, your confidence, your decisions, and ultimately, your future. Tony Robbins teaches that success is 80% psychology and only 20% mechanics. That means your mindset matters more than your income. Right now, there are people making little money who are building wealth, and there are people earning huge salaries who stay trapped in stress and debt. The difference is not talent. The difference is mental programming. In this video, you will learn how to reprogram your thoughts, habits, and emotions so you can finally move toward financial freedom. Many people wake up every day already expecting failure. They look at bills, responsibilities, and problems, and their mind immediately says, "I can't do this." That negative inner voice slowly becomes a prison. Tony Robbins explains that your brain works like a powerful machine. Whatever thoughts you repeat every day become your reality. If you constantly focus on fear, lack, and stress, your mind begins to search for proof that life is hard. But when you train your mind to focus on opportunity, growth, and action, your life begins to change. This video is not about magic tricks or getting rich overnight. It is about understanding how successful people think differently and how you can apply those same mental habits in your own life. If you stay until the end of this video, you will discover 5 powerful lessons that can completely change the way you think about money and success. You will learn how to destroy limiting beliefs, build disciplined habits, control your emotions, create long-term financial vision, and develop the mindset that wealthy people use every single day. These lessons are simple, practical, and beginner-friendly. You do not need to be rich to start. You do not need a perfect background. You only need the willingness to change the way you think. The moment you change your mindset, you begin changing your future. So take a deep breath, focus closely, and let's begin programming your mind for financial freedom. Lesson 1. Change your beliefs. Tony Robbins says that beliefs have the power to create and the power to destroy. Many people carry invisible mental chains from childhood. Maybe someone told them money is evil. Maybe they grew up hearing that rich people are greedy, or that success is impossible for ordinary people. Over time, these ideas become deeply rooted beliefs. Without realizing it, people begin acting according to those beliefs every single day. They avoid opportunities, fear failure, and settle for less because their mind secretly believes they are not capable of more. Financial freedom cannot grow inside a mind filled with limiting beliefs. The first step to financial freedom is becoming aware of the stories you tell yourself. Listen carefully to your inner voice. Does it constantly say things like, "I'm bad with money, I'll never be successful," or "People like me never become wealthy"? These thoughts are dangerous because repetition makes them feel true. Tony Robbins teaches that the quality of your life is shaped by the quality of your questions. Instead of asking, "Why am I always broke?" ask, "How can I improve my financial future starting today?" Powerful questions create powerful focus. Your brain is always listening to the words you repeat. That is why wealthy thinkers intentionally use empowering language. They focus on growth instead of fear. They say, "I am learning, I am improving, and I can build wealth step by step." This does not mean pretending problems do not exist. It means refusing to let fear control your identity. Every successful person started somewhere. Every millionaire was once a beginner. The difference is that successful people trained themselves to believe growth was possible. Education is one of the fastest ways to destroy limiting beliefs. When you study money, business, investing, and personal growth, your confidence begins to increase. Fear often comes from ignorance. The more you learn, the stronger your mindset becomes. Tony Robbins constantly emphasizes the importance of learning from successful people. Read books, listen to podcasts, watch educational content. Fill your mind with ideas that push you forward instead of holding you back. The moment you change your beliefs, your behavior begins to change automatically. You stop seeing obstacles as permanent barriers. You begin seeing them as temporary challenges. Instead of feeling jealous of successful people, you become inspired by them. Instead of avoiding responsibility, you start taking action. This is the true beginning of financial freedom. Wealth starts in the mind before it ever appears in reality. Lesson 2. Master your daily habits. Your future is built by your daily habits, not your occasional motivation. Many people wait until they feel ready before taking action. But successful people understand that discipline matters more than feelings. Tony Robbins teaches that small, consistent actions create massive long-term results. The habits you repeat every day are programming your future right now. If your habits are careless, your future becomes unstable. If your habits are disciplined, your future becomes powerful. One of the most important habits is controlling your mental state. Stress, fear, and negativity can destroy productivity and decision-making. That is why successful people practice activities like meditation, reflection, exercise, or journaling. These habits calm the mind and improve focus. Financial freedom is not only about money, it is also about emotional control. If your emotions control you, your finances will often suffer as well. Morning routines are especially powerful because they shape your mindset for the entire day. Waking up early, planning your goals, exercising, or reading something motivational creates momentum. Tony Robbins often talks about the importance of creating energy and focus in the morning. Successful people do not leave their mindset to chance. They intentionally prepare themselves mentally before facing the world. Affirmations may seem simple, but repetition changes mental patterns over time. When you repeat positive statements daily, your brain slowly begins accepting new possibilities. Saying things like, "I am capable of financial growth," or "I make smart financial decisions," can gradually replace years of negative conditioning. The key is consistency. Mental programming happens through repetition. Bad habits and negative thinking patterns must be broken intentionally. Nobody accidentally becomes disciplined. Nobody accidentally becomes financially free. Growth requires conscious effort. Tony Robbins teaches that lasting change happens when you connect pain to old behaviors and pleasure to new, empowering behaviors. The more you train yourself daily, the stronger your financial mindset becomes. Lesson 3. Control your money. Many people avoid looking at their finances because they feel uncomfortable or ashamed. But avoiding money problems only makes them worse. Financial freedom begins with awareness. You must know where your money is going. Track your spending. Understand your habits. Build a simple plan. Tony Robbins teaches that clarity creates power. When you clearly understand your financial situation, you gain the ability to improve it. Saving money is not about being cheap. It is about creating security and opportunity for your future. Even small savings matter because they build discipline and confidence. Many people think they need a huge income before they can save money, but wealthy habits begin before wealth appears. A person who cannot manage a small amount responsibly will often struggle with larger amounts too. Investing is one of the most important tools for long-term financial freedom. Tony Robbins explains that successful investors think long-term instead of chasing quick results. Wealth grows through patience, education, and consistency. You do not need to become an expert overnight. Start learning slowly. Understand basic investing principles. Small, informed actions today can create massive results years later. Financial growth also depends on increasing your value. The more skills you develop, the more opportunities become available. Learn communication skills, business skills, leadership skills, or digital skills. The modern world rewards people who continue improving themselves. Your income often reflects the value you provide to others. Learning from mentors can dramatically shorten your journey. Tony Robbins often says, "Success leaves clues." Instead of trying to figure everything out alone, study people who already achieved the results you want. Their experience can help you avoid costly mistakes. A mentor can provide guidance, encouragement, and a different perspective when challenges appear. Lesson 4. Build discipline and focus. Success is often built during difficult moments when nobody is watching. There will be nights when you feel tired, discouraged, or tempted to quit. This is where discipline becomes more important than motivation. Motivation changes daily, but discipline keeps moving forward. even when emotions are unstable. Financial freedom requires consistency over long periods of time. Modern distractions are everywhere. Social media, entertainment, and endless comparison can steal your focus without you realizing it. Wealthy thinkers protect their attention carefully because attention shapes productivity. Tony Robbins teaches that where focus goes, energy flows. If your focus constantly moves toward distractions, your goals lose power. Protecting your focus is protecting your future. Progress may feel slow at first, but consistency eventually creates visible results. Small improvements repeated daily become powerful over time. Many people quit too early because they expect immediate success. Financial freedom is usually a long journey, not a quick event. Patience and persistence are essential. Confidence grows through action, not waiting. Every small win strengthens your belief in yourself. When you keep promises to yourself, your self-respect increases. Over time, disciplined action changes the way you see yourself. You stop feeling powerless and begin feeling capable. Identity transformation is one of the greatest rewards of personal growth. True financial freedom is not only about personal success, it is also about contribution. Tony Robbins often teaches that fulfillment comes from growth and giving. Helping others creates deeper meaning and gratitude. Wealth without purpose can feel empty, but wealth combined with contribution creates lasting fulfillment. Lesson 5. Create a long-term vision. Teaching others is one of the best ways to strengthen your own understanding. When you share lessons with others, your confidence grows and your knowledge becomes clearer. Financial growth becomes more meaningful when it positively impacts other people. Leadership begins with personal growth and spreads through service. Your vision shapes your direction. If you do not know where you want to go, it becomes easy to drift through life without purpose. Successful people create a clear mental picture of their future. They imagine the life they want, the habits they need, and the person they must become. Vision creates motivation during difficult times. Every day you are either moving closer to your goals or further away from them. Small actions matter more than most people realize. Walking confidently toward your future requires courage, because growth often feels uncomfortable, but discomfort is usually a sign that transformation is happening. Gratitude is a powerful mindset for financial growth. Many people focus only on what they lack, but gratitude changes emotional energy. When you appreciate progress, opportunities, and lessons, your mindset becomes stronger and more positive. Gratitude reduces fear and increases emotional resilience. Financial freedom is not just about expensive things. It is about peace of mind, flexibility, freedom of choice, and the ability to live with less stress. Real wealth includes emotional well-being, strong relationships, and inner peace. Tony Robbins teaches that true success means enjoying life while continuing to grow. Your future is not decided by your past mistakes. It is decided by the choices you make starting today. Every thought, habit, and action is shaping your future little by little. Financial freedom begins the moment you stop seeing yourself as powerless. You are capable of learning, improving, and growing no matter where you start. The journey may be difficult, but transformation is possible. Remember that success is built step by step. Discipline creates momentum. Focus creates direction. Belief creates possibility. The person you become during the journey matters just as much as the money you earn. Every challenge you overcome strengthens your mindset and prepares you for greater opportunities ahead. Tony Robbins teaches that changing your life begins with changing your standards. Decide today that you will no longer settle for fear, excuses, or limiting beliefs. Decide that you will train your mind for growth, discipline, and abundance. Financial freedom is not reserved for a lucky few. It becomes possible when you consistently improve your mindset and actions. If this video inspired you, start applying even one lesson today, because your future changes the moment your thinking changes.